Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a photo or the profile photo for your Microsoft profile. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now for this tutorial, we're just going to follow this video. So from here, we're just going to follow this support article of Microsoft. And basically, this is how we can add a profile photo or picture to the Microsoft for Business. So this is my business account. And basically, you would need just to go to your profile picture that you would find like in your account. So in my case, I have my menu that is has this side menu, and here you will find like I have my picture, and basically here you will find this icon of a photo or a camera um, icon, and basically you will be needing just to click on it, and by clicking on this icon you will be able to upload a new picture and you can add it to your profile. So you can add the profile picture. So I'm just going to click on it, and as you can see now I can edit my picture, or I can upload a new one. And basically, you will need just to apply the changes and you will be able to have like uh, the picture added. And as you can see, there is also the possibility for admins to add photos on behalf of user. But in this video, I'm just going to stick on like each user like changing its own picture. So now you will need just to apply the changes. So I'm just going to stick with my previous picture. I'm just going to zoom it a little bit, or we can do like that or whatever. Now I'm just going to click on apply, and now the profile picture has been saved. I'm just going to click on OK. As you can see, now it has been changed successfully. So basically, this is how you can modify your picture or add picture on Microsoft. Thank you for watching and see you next time.